Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about chrysanthemums. They're back in style, on trend. When you get them in, the care is simple. Remove any damaged foliage, give it a cut, and then place it in cold water that's been pre-mixed with flower food. So it's quick and easy. Just strip, cut, place it with flower food. The question is always, at what point do you remove the netting? You've got a couple of choices. Most important, though, is remove the netting before it sits for very long. If you leave it too long, they'll start molding. Plus, once you let it out, let it rest, see how it pops open? It's so much prettier, so it looks good. Now, some people like to leave the nets on for a while to protect them so that they don't shatter. But if you leave them on too long, you can see the browning. They start to mold, rot, they get botrytis. That's not a good thing. Those are worthless. So make sure that you remove that netting. I would never leave it on more than a day or two. 2 days absolute max. Best to go ahead and remove it, let them breathe, and become beautiful. Now you know how the pros do it.